Hi guys, welcome back to Fortnite. You just got back from an amazing shoot, plugged in your SD card, and nothing. It's not showing up in Finder, not appearing on your desktop. It's like your Mac doesn't even know the card exists. I know how stressful this can be, especially when you've got important photos and videos on there. Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes for SD card not showing up on Mac. Let's dive in. Let's do a basic check first. Start by removing the SD card and reinserting it firmly. Try a different USB port or card reader if possible. Also, check the little lock switch on the side of the card, make sure it's not in the locked position. Method 2. Make the SD card visible in Finder. Here's something a lot of people don't realize. Finder doesn't always show external drives by default. So your card might actually be recognized, it's just hidden. Open Finder. Click Finder in the top menu bar, then Settings or Preferences. Go to the General tab and check External Disks. Then go to the Sidebar tab and also check External Disks. Your card should now appear. Method 3. Use Disk Utility to repair the SD card. When your SD card does not show up on Mac, it could be that the mounting process was cut short by some quite hard to decipher factors. Press Command plus Space, type Disk Utility, and open it. Look for your SD card on the left side. Even if it has no name, it might be listed. If you see it, select it and click Mount on the top toolbar. If it won't mount, select it and click First Aid, then Run. This can repair many file system errors. If the card doesn't appear in Disk Utility at all, move to the next steps. Method 4. Check Lockdown Mode, macOS Ventura, and later. On macOS Ventura and newer, go to System Settings, Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way down to Lockdown Mode. Lockdown Mode is designed for high security situations, and when it's on, it blocks a lot of external devices, including SD cards. If it's turned on, disable it, restart your Mac, and try inserting the card again. Method 5. Use 4DDiG McData Recovery. Now, if your SD card still isn't showing up and you're worried about losing precious photos and videos, I highly recommend you use 4DDiG Data Recovery. Even if your SD card is grayed out, not mounted, or barely showing up, 4DDiG can still see it and scan it. First, stop using the SD card immediately. Download and open 4DDiG McData Recovery. Choose the SD card and hit Scan. Select the file types you want to recover. Preview your photos and videos before copying them to another drive. Click on the Recover button and choose a safe location on your MacBook to save the recovered files. Method 6. Reformatting the card. If you've already recovered your data and the card still won't work properly, you may need to reformat it. In Disk Utility, select the card. Click Erase. Choose exFAT or PFS and confirm. This will wipe the card clean, so only do this after you've recovered everything. Hopefully, one of these got your card working again, or at least got your files back, which honestly matters more. If this helped you out, a thumbs up goes a long way, and subscribe if you want more videos like this. See you in the next one.